Over the last 2 months, we've seen a lot of different Solana projects explode in value, whether that was Bonk, Myro, or countless other meme coins. And it has a lot to do with the fact that now we're finally starting to see a bit more money coming into the crypto space, and people are expecting a massive bull run in 2024. So today's video, I want to talk about a project that makes it extremely simple to go about launching your own token on a number of different blockchains, whether that's with Ethereum or BNB chain or with Solana in particular. And you can see this project is called DEVAI, and it says presenting an innovative solution to common problem of solidity contract generation. Deploy your smart contract today through the DEVAI deployer bot with no coding knowledge required. And this is something that is extremely important because we're seeing countless projects launch every single day. And if you want to get in on the next one, or if you want to create your own, I think it's actually better to go ahead and create your own projects, but you need to be able to know how to do this. And the problem is a lot of people don't have the knowledge of how to go about coding or using Solidity, which is the most widely used programming language for the Ethereum blockchain. It's pretty complex. If you don't know how to code, it makes it really next to impossible to go about launching your own project. But with DEVAI, they use artificial intelligence to go about helping you launch your very own project very easily, very intuitively. And they have a few different ways that you could do this. You could either just go ahead to the website, click on deploy on Solana. They have, other blockchains you can launch on, but I want to focus more on Solana. You just need to select a wallet. So if you have Phantom, you just need to select Phantom. Then you can just go ahead, enter the name of the token, enter a symbol, token supply, description, logo, Telegram link, and just a few other details. It's so simple. It takes less than 2 minutes to go about launching your own token. And this is why this project has already exploded in value. And you can see that in the last few weeks or so, really since the beginning of December 2023, this project has gone from around 20 cents per token at its low to now around $2 per token. So it has basically 10x'd in its price from its low to where it is now. And this is really cool and really unique because it makes it so simple for people to go about launching tokens using artificial intelligence. Not only do they have this deployer, the DEVAI contract deployer, where you can create tokens on Solana, you could create other L2 tokens, whether it's on Ethereum or BSC or Arbitrum. You can do all those things there, but also they make it even more simple with their bot. So if you scroll down, you can see they talk about their bot right here. You can just click start and begin right here, and it'll say, do you want to do on BSC or Ethereum? It says, look, BSC doesn't consume as much gas, so BSC. You would click there. Then it would say choose the type and contract you want. And this is all just directly through Telegram. So it shows you all the steps by step. So it says select the contract type. Do you want it to be normal, preloaded? And they're going to go with normal. Then you just put the token name in. And after the token name, you can just type in any name you want, and then you would put in a symbol, and it just goes through step by step by step. This is a Telegram bot, so this is just a pre-recorded example, but all you need to do to use the Telegram bot is just scroll back up to the top, click use bot, and then it's going to take you to Telegram, where it's going to bring you through step by step by step exactly what you need to do to go about launching your own project, and how you really don't need any coding knowledge whatsoever to go about launching your own project with DEVAI. In addition to this, when you scroll down a little bit further, you can see that with this project, they talk about the bot, they talk about a few things with tutorials and how they go about doing it, but also is something with their revenue sharing program. This is something that they're hoping to is going to help grow the project long term, because it's going to help attract new users. The way it works is that there are two different revenue real programs. A is going to be revenue program deployment paid in gas token, so holding above 0.7% of total supply equivalent to 7,000 tokens in the native ecosystem token, which is the one that we looked at earlier. So 0x DEV, that's the native ecosystem token. So holding that many of those, so 7,000 of those, enrolls you in the revenue sharing program. This revenue share program is paid weekly to the top holders based on the fees accumulated from deployments. Then more deployments through the bot equates to a higher revenue share. And you could actually see all the information about this and statistics of revenue sharing program just directly through the statistics page on their DEVAI contract deployers. So you can see there have been a total of 255 tokens generated, just around $23,000 in revenue generated, and you could see right here for 28 7-day deployment. So you see all of that information right here, and they talk about total revenue generated for each chain as well. So Solana, Ethereum, Binance, Avalanche, Arbitrum. You can see all of that. So something that is pretty cool. The other aspect of the revenue sharing program is going to be deployments paid in their native ecosystem token. So it says holding above 0.5% of total supply equivalent to 5,000 tokens automatically enrolls you to the revenue share program B. This revenue share program is weekly payout as well, and ultimately it's going to be paid out to the top holders based on the fees accumulated from deployments paid in their native ecosystem token. So again, the key differences with both of these are going to be with how the tokens are paid and where the revenue is generated from. So you can see all of that. When you scroll down a little bit further, then they talk about some things with the roadmap, and they also talk about some additional features. So it says with the features, they solve some of the biggest problems with complexity, error proneness, repetitiveness, cost effectiveness, and flexibility. The way to simplify this the most is that whenever you're launching a token, whether that's on one contract or another, there's certain things you need to do. That's what they talk about with repetitiveness. They make it very simple to do it on any of these different blockchains. Like I said, from Solana to Arbitrum to Avalanche to Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain, they make it easy for you to launch on any of these networks without having to do anything different. It's just clicking on one or two different buttons. Also, they talk about error proneness because with AI, the bot can help clients and people avoid making problems with a smart contract. That happen a lot of the time with other software. So they have all these different things in place to ensure, with the help of artificial intelligence, that you launch your token correctly, effectively, and with very minimal problems. So you can see that they talk all about this even more on their website. And if you scroll back to the top, you can see they do talk about other things with their roadmap, tokenomics, and teams. So let's just click on roadmap. And we see with their roadmap, they talk about the development stage, expansion, how they're going to be expanding the bot's capabilities to include more complex contract structures. So we have all these different things to look forward to long-term with the project. So really right now, the only thing I'm doing with this project is I haven't launched my own token on it. I've done some just to test it out, make sure everything's okay, but I'm not planning on, marketing it or advertising it. But really the thing that I'm doing with this project is I think it has a lot of potential to be like a 100x project in this bull market because its market cap is still so low. It's less than $10 million market cap. It's already done a 10x from where it first launched at. And this project has some real potential, especially during this market where we're seeing a lot of new projects launch every single day, a lot of people launching on Solana and Avalanche, and people are looking at where to do those. Meme coins are, all the hype during bull markets, and so with something that can launch a Solana meme coin or an Avalanche meme coin, I think this thing has some real potential to be a 100x project. So I did put some money into this, not a whole lot, but I like to invest in a number of different smaller altcoins that I think have some real potential to make a lot of money during this bull market. So again, the symbol is 0xDEV, and I'll put all the links down below.